Thermodynamics. All right, let's start. Thermodynamics is the science of the flow of heat. So thermo is heat, and dynamics is the motion of heat. Thermodynamics was developed largely beginning in the 1800s, at the time of the Industrial Revolution. It's the taming of steel, the beginning of generating power by burning fossil fuels, the beginning of the problems with CO2 in the atmosphere, global warming. In fact, it's interesting to note that the first calculation on the impact of CO2 on climate was done in the late 1800s by Arrhenius. Beginning of the generation of power, moving heat from fossil fuels to generating energy, locomotives, etc. So he calculated what would happen to this burning of fossil fuels, and he decided in his calculation, he basically got the calculation right, by the way. But he came out that in 2,000 years from the time that he did the calculations, humans would be in trouble. Well, since his calculation, we've had an exponential growth in the amount of CO2. And if you go through the calculations of people have done these calculations throughout time since Arrhenius, the time that we're in trouble, 2,000 years, and the calculation has gone like this. And so now we're really in trouble. That's for a different lecture. So anyway, thermodynamics dates from the same period as getting fossil fuels out of the ground. It's universal. Turns out everything around us moves energy around in one way or the other. If you're a biological system, you're burning calories, burning ATP, you're creating heat. If you're a warm-blooded animal, you need energy to move your arms around and move around.